there are forces sometimes within us which makes it difficult, which makes some very noble enterprise and stuff come to ruin. And that we need to deal with that. That's why it's so very important to recognize that a whole lot of issues have serious anthropological character. You need to understand the human person in a whole lot of issues. And when the human persons themselves are humble enough to recognize that this is what exists within them, it makes a whole lot of these things a lot easier. But when there's total and utter blindness to all of these factors within us, then we plunder from error into error, and we sink deeper and deeper and deeper into the distress and the ruin that we like to avoid. So all of us like to live in a good world, although presently we live in a world of a lot of greed.
Cardinal Peter Appiah Turkson was saddened by the wanton destruction of the natural environment in the interest for gold and other mineral resources.
We have a proverb that says, there's a proverb like that we make. It's better to eat every day than to eat only one day. And that's the contrast between short-term gains and long-term vision that we need to have. So yes, there's gold to be obtained in Ghana. That's why the colonial group that got here called the Gold Coast.
Cardinal Peter Appiah Turkson emphasized that the collective will must be at the heart of all decisions by various leaders.
In this sense that not being able to manage our endowments very well can lead to a curse for us. I'm already beginning to hear that there is a slight preference for Ivorian cocoa over Ghana cocoa, because people are beginning to say that Ghana cocoa is contaminated already by some chemicals in the ground. It's a question of choice. If you want to embrace long-term vision, let's embrace that and see how we make short-term visions flow into the long-term vision, but not pursue short-term vision to the detriment of long-term visions.
The topic for the 4th annual leadership lecture series by the University of Professional Studies UPSA was the tragedy of the common, leadership for the common good.